Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a collection of My First JCB. I can't wait to take a look at all these mighty machines. We have 3 My First JBC pullbacks. Here's a front loader. I love the blue and the yellow together. And he's got such a cute face. This is Dan the Dozer. Peekaboo! Ha! He's funny. His red blade is really neat. And look at those tracks. He has such great details. This is Doug the dump truck. Wow, I love the bright green. And look at his expression. His bucket really dumps. These 3 have pullback action. Here we have a JCB lights and sounds range. There are lots of lights and sounds vehicles that you can collect. This is Joey JCB. He's a front loader. Look at this front loader. His bucket raises and lowers. He's got these really neat wheels. He's a press down vehicle. I bet he can go really fast. He comes with 2 boulders. We also have My First JBC Talkie. This is Frankie the Firetruck. Wow, look at that water hose. There are lots of other mighty machines you can collect. I can't wait to open up these mighty machines. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.